Washington, a treasure trove of prized mementos from the first moon landing have been found in Neil Armstrong's closet by his wife when she was doing a clear out. Armstrong, the first man to walk on the moon, died in August 2012 and his wife, Carol, found the objects from the 1969 lunar expedition languishing at their home in Cincinnati, Ohio. The objects include a 16mm camera that was mounted on the window of the Eagle lunar module to record the historic landing and Armstrong's one small step, on a mission that also included Buzz Aldrin. There was also one of two waist tethers that Armstrong used to support himself during the single rest period on the moon. The souvenirs, along with other small items, were stashed in a white cloth bag that may have come from a spacecraft. They had been intended to be left behind on the moon but instead appeared to have been intentionally preserved. Needless to say, for a curator of a collection of space artifacts, it is hard to imagine anything more exciting, said Alan Needle, of the National Air and Space Museum in Washington.